Okay, so we're going to explain the homework rubric. This is just the rubric for Tuesday. Basically, each homework assignment of the week will count 50 points, and it's broken down according to so many points for each part. So if you get it to class on time, you get 5 points. That means it's not late, and you have it ready when you get there. If it's completed, then that's another 5 points. If it is your work, which means it's not copied off of the internet, or parents haven't done it for you, or you haven't copied it off of a friend before you got to class, that doesn't mean you can't work with somebody. That just means you can't copy theirs word for word. Then that's 10 points. You share it with the group when you get there, your table, and that's another 5 points. You make corrections if there are things that you need to fix. Most of us are not perfect. I'm sure not. So you will probably find things that you want to take out or put in or change a word, especially as we're doing content maps and you want to make it prettier or draw a picture that might help you remember. So you get 10 points for that. You need to listen to what other people say at your table and write down some points or some ideas that they had that you didn't, or how they expressed that idea on your paper. That gives you 5 more points. You rewrite your answer again on the same sheet of paper, and that gives you 5 points. And then you get it turned in. A lot of times kids forget to leave it in the folder. So if it's not in the folder at the end of that class period, then you can't get those points. You can see by the time you look at in class on time, it's completed, and that's 15 points. So you can lose quite a few points in a hurry if you don't do that. Completed, down here you'll see the note. If it's not finished, you'll still go to Diners Club. Even though you'll be in class for the discussion, what you'll need to do is take down some notes so that you can make sure when you turn it in, it's correct. No redos, because you're not going to have that opportunity. And down here it says during discussion time, you're listening for what those people say and you write it down, and you must have at least 2 or you don't get those points. And that's how the rubric works on Tuesday. On Thursday it will be the same thing. So you take those 2 grades and you add them together, and that will give you your total. There may be times when you have a different type of homework, especially when we're doing balancing chemical equations or if we're doing graphing or something. So it may be a little different from this, but ultimately Tuesday's homework and Thursday's homework will add up to your whole total homework grade for the week. And that's how it'll go.